Bananas are 49 cents a pound. You buy 2.5 pounds. You hand the cashier $5. How much change will you receive? Well, the first thing we have to do is find out how much 49 cents times $2.05 is, and then we can figure out our change. So when you multiply decimals, you don't really need to worry about where the decimals are until after you solve the problem. So let's just act like the decimals aren't there. 5 times 9 is 45. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 4 is 24. Now we need a placeholder because we're going to multiply from this place value. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Now we can add them together, and we have 8 plus 4 is 12, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we need to worry about where our decimals are. So we have to account for 1, 2, 3 place values to the right of the decimals. So we need to move our decimal over 1, 2, 3 places. So we end up with a little bit of an awkward number. Since we can only go to the hundredths place value to work with pennies, we're just going to round this 5 up, so that, or round this 2 up because of this 5 here. So we end up with spending $1.23 on bananas, and we hand them, the cashier, $5. Now when you subtract decimals, you do need to line up the decimals so that we subtract the same place value. Looks like we're going to need to borrow, so let's borrow across. And now we end up with 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 2 is 7, 4 minus 1 is 3. So our change is going to be $3.77.